way along then.
Sorry, that's my just I don't know how. Along there?
Yep, along there.
I've got to let that cool down.
Okay. So a little bit slower as well this time.
That was close.
Yeah.
I seen the spark and then smacked me in the face.
Right, try this one along here. All the way along, try and get the whole lot in one go. A little bit too fast and too high. Hang on. Try a bit of box section. Try and weld that one on there. All the way along. One go, slowly. Hang on.
How you like?
Right, what you need to do, come into it about that angle there. Right? Not bad, nice tidy little weld. A little bit too much on the box section. You should have been more down on the 6mm.
Could you say that in English?
You were too high up on the box. If you point it more towards the 6mm to get the weld into the 6mm, not the... Yeah, try that. That's a lovely looking one. Bit too far away.
Yeah. Do you want me to try and go around the corner?
Yeah, if you can. Nice. Right, all the way along there, you have to go really slowly because there's a radius on there.
Radius?
It tapers under, so you need to fill that with weld at the same time as welding. Right, lift up a bit more, get more angle into the 6mm.
Okay.
That's it, give that a go. Going too fast.
Yeah, that might be because I burnt myself.
Yeah. Hang on, let me get rid of that long one. Right, now go slowly along there. You need to go really slow, go from wherever you want. Slow down. See, that's not too bad. You just started going a bit too quick. The arc was getting way too long then. Right.
Does that mean it was too far away?
Yeah. As you were going along, you were moving it the wrong angle, so the arc was going too far away.
That angle?
No. All you want to do, try and come into it about that sort of angle. Nice. Nice clean one, that one. Right, flip it around, see if you can do it on the other side.
What an asshole. You're lucky that's not flammable.
Careful. Right, this got a bigger radius. Now lift up a little bit more. That's it. Go really slowly now because you've got a big gap.
And it went too long, I see.
Yeah, you're going a bit too fast and a little bit too long, but it's not a bad weld. I've seen worse on 4x4s. And that's from companies. Fucking shocking.
It's shocking how bad bikes are.
Yeah.
If you maybe do this first, I might have done a good weld on that.
Oh well. We can always cut that one off and redo it. Hang on. Right, now try it. Now come up because you're going in at the wrong angle. Up a little bit more. Sit now, try it. Nice, but you need to keep it going a lot longer. Mine, you'll burn your bollocks otherwise. Up. That's it. Up. And keep it going for as long as you can. Burnt your arm. See, no, that was that was way too high. That's why.
Air.
This one might be a bit easier. Just try and go all the way along there.
Now I see why you always get holes in your clothes.
Yeah. Right, nice and slowly and gently along there. See if you can do the whole run in one. Right. Now, lift up, higher angle, come back a bit because you're going to miss it. Start there, go along. Go on then.
Get too far away.
Yeah, in the wrong angle. No, come back down, right, somewhere like that. Far. I'm going to get this one weld done, then we'll call it quits, alright?
Yeah, cool. Good enough?
Yeah, try that. That's it, you got him burnt in.
Yeah, but I also nearly burnt my hand.
Yeah, the other ones you can see where you got some heat through it. Flip it over and see. Bit of cut down 5mm box on some 3mm plate. Only a little bit of heat in there. Now, how old are you?
10.
See, 10-year-old can do better welding than some fabrication companies.